Yeah, quite a problem. Anyway, I'm going to re-enable the, there's one. There should be another. So we're straight into trades now, and we're actually into the better price. Well, not much better. There's the old one where we got in, and now we've had a new. Hopefully that'll continue running, and we'll see where it goes. We'll manually push up the stop loss. I found a couple of issues in the EA. One is that I'd actually put a greater than in place of where it should have been a less than, or vice versa, in one part, which was why we were buying so much higher than we should have. And the other one is I've noticed that one of the stop losses is wrong as well, not working correctly. So I'll just have to look after that sort of stuff manually, and hopefully we won't get too many issues. Expert advisor, and open the terminal, and there we are. So we've now got two trades, and they're both losing, which is just typical, isn't it? Stop loss is set at 261 on both of them. That's the stop loss there at 261, which is below the body of the hour candle. There, so I can have a look at the 15-minute just carefully, and see what we got here. Okay, so we're below the body of the last 15-minute as well, which is more than adequate, and we now just have to see if this will go up or not. Doesn't look like it's going up too well, does it? Might have two losing trades today. That'd be a bummer. I'd be very unhappy if that's the case. This is the new 15-minute. I just opened now. If I'd actually opened this on the 15-minute instead of the 1 hour, they wouldn't have taken a trade at all. So anyway, we'll just sit it out. We'll tough it out. We preferring to trade on the 1 hour. It's more reliable. It doesn't mean you can't get it wrong and end up with a losing trade. So I'd hate to have two losing trades today, because I was at a 116.80. I'm back to 110 now if I close both these trades right now. I started at 102 for the week, so I'm up 8% for the week if I close everything now. But if I let these run, I'll be only up about 5 or 6% for the week so far. So if they both run out to a loss. So the stop loss hasn't been adjusted at this stage. Anyway, we'll just watch and see what happens here. And the one with the big take profit is, which one? 610, 6710, 6711. Okay. This is not looking good. I probably should close one of these just as a matter of course. But you never know, it might just pop up. The whole point of having an EA is to take a lot of these decisions off you when you get something wrong, because it is so easy to go, oh no, it's going to go, and you end up with a stop. You move your stop right down to here, and it's just silly. We can see from here that if the market was to come down this far, there's no trade at all, or certainly not a buy. Currently we're looking at definitely an uptrend, and we don't want this 15-minute candle to close down here, because if it does close down here, I would suggest that these both need to be shut off. So we're 4 minutes into this 15-minute candle. So we'll just let it run a bit further and see if we can't get up above it. Be nice. And if it breaks up through the buy, well then we're laughing. We'll have a good day today after all, or at least a break-even day. Break-even day is a good day. A no-loss day is a good day, and a min-loss day is a good day. Trading is sort of pretty negative. A bit like when you play poker, you get into a hand and you hope to hell you don't lose. Like you can get in with a hand with aces and you raise it up, and some idiot calls you with some offbeat hand because they can, and then they win, and yeah, it's a bit frustrating. So we're trying not to do that. But the first 5 minutes of this 15-minute candle has just been down. Could be just a pullback, complete stop out, and which case we'd be pretty disappointed. By this time, Raja would have closed half his trade, I think, at this stage. And instead of losing a full whack of what, $4.40, and he loses $3.40 or something like that. Anyway, we're 5 minutes, and yeah, it's not looking that bad. So see how the next 5 minutes looks. Starting to look a bit better now. So yeah, it's pretty dicky. I think I could probably, on a 1 hour chart, I probably should have a slightly bigger stop loss, just to protect from some of these silly issues. I'll put it back to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, it doesn't actually look that bad. Hit the top of this last wick at the very least. That's me take 50 profit up there. So we'll see. But still, it's quite scary. 30-minute. This pullback here, the first loss would have been equivalent to would have only been $2 loss, 2% loss, and this one would only be risking another 2%. Instead, I've risked 4% and 4% again. So I guess you got to look at that. You shouldn't, in a big account, you'd only risk 1%. But because this account's so small, I figure I've got to risk something on it to give it the opportunity to grow, assuming we can trade effectively. I think I've actually got a command missing out of my stop loss. Something like if the price is equal to or greater than the previous stop loss, there's no need to adjust it, and I'll have to have a look at that. Looks like this 15 minutes is going to close as a doji. One trade completely and leave just the other one run. If it closes red, I'm definitely going to close half. It's going to hit the stop loss anyway. Look at it, it's minus $1.88 there. It's going to come down and hit me stop. God damn it. And she's stopped out. So that's a bit shitty. I really quite disappointed, and we're just going to have to hang with it now and see what happens. It's pretty clear to me that it's not going anywhere in a hurry. There's certainly room for it to move, but it's come back and it's just going to sit right in the middle. So whether anyone watching thinks I should have got out earlier or not, I don't know. I've got 2 viewers, but no one's saying anything. Be interested to hear anyone's thoughts on this trade. Right. The internet's still got issues. Bit of a bummer. Hello. Okay. I'll make another trade bucket up there. So we got 2 losses, 2-0. Pretty shitty. So an effective 36 pips loss, and my $116 is down to $106. So I'm up 4% for the week now. Yeah, pretty disappointing. I think I might call it quits, and we'll come back tomorrow, see if we can't improve. Today is what day? Thursday. Shitty. Alright then, we're going to close the stream off, and hopefully we'll do better tomorrow on Friday.